How to go live on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on plus button with a square shape on it on below. And then you'll find reel option. Simply click on live. You can add title, schedule the live, or simply broadcast audience to public, or simply practice and click on set audience, then click on circle on middle. Then your live will broadcast, and this is how to go live. As you can see, you can also invite someone as a co-host for your live. This is how to go live on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.